Thanks very much for clicking on my video. This is my video on how to start a Seagull Outboard motor. Whilst the water's filling up, I thought I'd just tell you a little bit about why I'm doing this. So I've had a few people asking me about how I start mine. I mean, these are old, they don't have electric start and electric this, that, the other, so some people are a bit intimidated about starting them. But seriously, they're great little engines, super easy to work on and super easy to start. So what I've done is I've got a bucket here with a prop in, because I've been out this morning using this, so I want to flush it with some clean water. So I'll show you actually. As you can see, I've took off the prop. If you want to know how to take the prop off, I've got a video I'll link in this video to show you. Really simple job, but it makes doing this a lot easier because you haven't got the prop spinning and churning up the water, and it allows the engines to pick up the water better. Right, so the bucket's full now, so I'm going to give it some pulls and then you can see it run. So make sure your breather's undone, fuel tap open. If you need chalk, put your chalk on, then prime the carb, put a bit of throttle on. So you want to put your rope in clockwise, and then I would pull it round a bit so it's at a good position. Make sure I've got some throttle on. And that's how I start my Seagull. So if you've got any questions, please ask, comment below. If you like the video, press the subscribe button. I've got some other boating stuff and Seagull stuff, so check that out as well. But thanks very much guys for watching. See you later.